Of all the diseases in this world, you don't want to ever get a stroke or a heart attack. So I'm going to show you a very simple trick that you can do to prevent an episode of a heart attack or stroke. You know, nature has blessed us with so many things with medicinal and therapeutic benefits. There are natural things you can take to prevent an episode of a heart attack or stroke. What are some of the risk factors for stroke or a heart attack? They include diabetes, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, alcohol, smoking, obesity, high consumption of sugar, and so many other things. So what can we do to prevent an episode of a heart attack or stroke? It is very simple. We're going to use water and then garlic. We're going to make what we call a garlic water. But first of all, let me give you some few effects of garlic on our bodies. Then I'll show you how you do garlic water to prevent an episode of a heart attack or stroke. Garlic has its active ingredient called allicin, and this compound increases the bioavailability of nitric oxide for vasodilation of your arteries for good supply of blood to the heart and the brain. It reduces bad cholesterol. It acts like an ACE inhibitor to lower blood pressure. There's an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antiplatelet, and antimicrobial. So this is my bottle of water, and then this is my crushed or chopped garlic cloves. All I have to do is drop these cloves of garlic into this water, close the bottle, and then let them sit there for about an hour. So this will be the water that I'll be drinking every day with the garlic cloves inside, okay? It is pretty simple. So when the water finishes, I either discard it or top it up again with water till the effect is gone. Then I may chew the cloves inside it or get new ones and then put them again inside and then let them sit there for an hour before I drink it every day, okay? Just like me, some people love to chew garlics directly. But because of their strong taste and scent, it puts others off. In that case, garlic water will be great for you. So try this and tell your friend that garlic water will do wonderful things for their hearts and brain and potentially help prevent an episode of a heart attack or stroke. But then again, be sure to inform your doctor first to make an informed decision, especially if you are on any medication. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave a comment below, like and share this with all your loved ones, and I will see you in the next video right up here. Hey, always remember that God wants you healthy. Your health, your life. God bless you.